Good afternoon, Monday Moneymakers. This is last week in March. Today, I want to tell you about two different websites that can make $65 One of the website is called Kits.AI. All you have to do is just sign up and then cancel your creator plan with them, and product research will be sending you an email to ask why canceled your subscription, and then follow up email asking if you would like to participate in one-on-one interview. You can say yes to this. The other website is called Kits.AI, which is where you will be reviewing your experience on a video editor called Veed. You will get $25 after the quality review team reads and approves your review on their product. Here, you'll see my payment proof of $40.00 from Kits. Under the brand name Arpeggi Labs when I participated in the one-on-one interview with the product researcher.